I know one thing, you're not taking that thing back to Lowe's.
Heck no!
One day we had a crazy idea to start a business from scratch selling products on Amazon and record it every step of the way. We went to China on the search for the perfect product and filmed inside of factories where cameras had never been. We met amazing people and saw beautiful places from all around the world. We risked thousands of dollars to show you what it takes to build a business you love on your own terms. Join us on the journey to become new moguls.
So Jesse visited a couple of factories in Peru, and then you also did some stuff with
Chocolate?
chocolate. Yeah.
Yeah, cacao.
Like, what's the scene in Peru?
Part of like me with using my time in Peru is to kind of see the state of manufacturing in South America. And I mean, anybody knows that it's been done for a while now. Like, there's a large number of textile companies and stuff like that are based in South America. So Peru is known for cotton. Like that is what Peru does well. They do a lot of natural fibers really well. Like, some of this stuff is seriously high quality. Now I will say this, one thing that's really nice is, at least in Peru, everything's very open.
Okay.
Like all the factories like are registered, like, and so my Peruvian associate, like, within 2 hours could tell me a list of 10 chocolate manufacturers.
That's cool.
And he was using all government websites to do it. So it's a database of what the business is, what they do, and then that database is searchable on the government's website. So you could search it by what they do or what they manufacture.
That's cool.
And you can pull up a list. So that's pretty nice.
So we're here at Lowe's, and the goal for today is actually just to find props or
Just stuff. We're just doing product photography, so they're light bulbs, so we need fixtures and stuff that we can take cool lifestyle photos.
I've been to Home Depot and Lowe's. I think Lowe's has a better selection of lighting stuff, so that's what we're doing.
Yesterday we sat down and actually figured out what photos we want to capture. And one thing I've noticed is that a lot of people aren't sitting down and figuring out what it is they want their photos to achieve, right? And so the first step of any like photo shoot is figuring out like what are the key differentiating features and what message, what story do you want to tell with your photos. If you don't do that, then you're just basically making pretty things.
If you don't have the budget, you have to buy this stuff. Cost of doing business.
But you can return everything.
This is stupid. Okay. Oh crap. Oh crap. Hey.
I know one thing, you're not taking that thing back to Lowe's.
Heck no! Okay. This is good.
I can help you.
Alright, so they got instructions on how to install. We're probably not going to read these. Maybe getting people to watch the instructional videos on MassView is like getting people to read the instructions on the, they're like, no, I'll just figure it out myself. Whoa. Just watch the freaking video. Ours versus the competition. Look how warm that is. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. These are nice and warm. These are like clear. Bleh. Yeah. I love lights. They're super cool. But putting these suckers in is a pain in the butt. I don't know what's in this bag, but it's stuck to my finger. Oh crap. Ah. That's not that bad. That hurt though.
There's the blood.
Tasty. So notice that we were not able to get it installed all the way right now because we're missing a screw. So if you look up there, it is hanging kind of by, yeah, it's not good. So that doesn't matter because as long as he gets the shot, then who cares?
Renting a studio, we're just doing what we got. And some of y'all will say like, well man, I wish I had a shop that's already got boards. I wish I had all the stuff you have. I promise you I would do all this. I would do everything I'm doing today with nothing I have today.